This is Farabi and HM Kausar and me. We are teammate. We have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So our teammate HM Kausar has audited your YouTube channel and found some problem. And we hope and believe that if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. So are you interested to our service, sir?
I'm interested, and that's why I responded to the email so you guys can talk a little more about the actual services you provide, what the expectations are, the costs, and kind of lay out the whole protocol.
Okay, sir. So basically, we do YouTube SEO related work. SEO means search engine optimizations. We will optimize your video title, we will optimize your video description, and we will research high volume rank tag for your video. And when you put that high volume rank tag video tag to your video, then your video will go on top. When someone search related to your video, then your video will go on top. And your video will get more organic views. And for YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is weekly packages and another is monthly packages. For weekly packages, we will optimize your 10 video and it costs $120. And for a month, we will optimize your 30 video and it costs $300. So, sir, which one do you choose?
So my question is if I heard that correctly, you'll optimize, and I didn't get the amount, but for 1 week, you'll optimize a certain amount of videos for $120. And then there's a monthly fee for X amount of videos. Did I hear that portion correctly? So those are your two services, right? The two tiers. Is that
Yeah,
correct?
yeah.
Okay. So I'm assuming you're going retroactively to existing videos. These aren't going to be for 5 new videos I have to create and post. You're going to go ahead and take my existing content and make that rank better, correct?
Yeah. And we also can your older and new video, no problem.
Okay. So, but the service you're offering, because right now I don't have new content, I'm going to want to take my existing content and get that to rank better because I promote a product in some of my videos. In some of my videos, I just kind of promote more the hobby and the activity of gold prospecting, but I manufacture gold prospecting equipment. So obviously, I'll pick which videos I want you to optimize, the ones that are going to bring more people to my site for my product. But that was my question is I can go ahead and point you to existing videos, and those are the ones that you'll optimize, correct?
Yeah. I can understand. So we can do optimize your old existing videos, and you will get your exact targeted audience, and you will get your exact location based audience. So
Okay. So what you guys do the SEO aspect of it to help it get ranked better. Do you guys do anything visually? Do you guys modify the thumbnail? I'm just trying to understand the whole entire scope of your services and then what my expectation should be. So, suppose I've got a really good video, but my thumbnail's not that great. You may help it perform really well with SEO and all the magic that you guys do, but I also know we can make it even better with a better thumbnail. Do you guys provide that service as well, or do you guys provide just the SEO side of things?
okay, sir. Basically, we provide YouTube SEO related service, not thumbnail, but we can help you with making thumbnail. We will suggest you how to improve your thumbnail. No problem. And
Okay.
SEO is the main thing to grow a video. And I hope you would be satisfied. And we will do organic method. And our method will take to get result 1 to 2 weeks sometimes because it's organic. So your thumbnail, if your thumbnail is not good, then we will suggest you how to be improve it.
Okay. That's fair enough. So basic, right. So you'll consult and tell me what needs improvement. You won't actually do that work. Your core competency is the SEO part. I got it. So, okay. Well, I guess I definitely need help because I think my content should be viewed by more people. There's people who do prospecting videos and have channels at hundreds of thousands of subscribers. I'm not saying that that's obviously that would be a great goal, but the goal is to just increase my viewership substantially and drive more traffic to my website. So I think for a week's worth of work for $120, that seems reasonable. And I think that's probably a good starting point. I don't want to commit to anything bigger until I actually see how this performs. So talk to me about the 1 week service and how many videos and how we move forward.
Okay, okay, sir. So no problem. You can start with our weekly packages. For weekly, we will optimize your 10 video and it costs $20. And if you think and if you are satisfied with our work, and then you can go for a long time. No problem.
So you said it, I'm sorry, you said it was $20 for
US
for
dollar,
10 for
120,
yeah.
120 US dollar. Yeah.
Okay, that's I thought you said when 20
Yeah.
$120 the first time. The
Yeah.
second time I thought you said $20. I'm like, wow, that's really cheap.
And if you have any further questions, if you have faced any problem, feel free to communicate with our team member HM. Then he will assist you. No problem.
Perfect. All right. Well, this was a good call. I learned a lot, and I'm excited and eager to move forward. I think you guys can help me out quite a bit.
Okay, sir. Thanks for your time. I appreciate for you, and I hope to grow your channel, sir. Thank you so
Me
much.
too. Me
Yeah.
too. Thanks. You have a good day.
Thanks. Yeah.
All
Bye
right.
for now. Yeah. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.